How to fix no internet connection on Facebook Messenger. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Messenger app and see if you are facing any problem. But if you're not, if you're having the problem where it says no internet connection here, in that case what you need to do is make sure that you have your Wi-Fi or mobile data turned on. So as you guys can see here, I don't have any of these on, so I'm just going to turn on my Wi-Fi. So usually this will completely fix the issue, but if it doesn't fix it, then what you're going to have to do is long press on the Messenger app, and once you do that, you'll find the eye icon. Just go ahead and tap on it to head over to app info. Once you land on the app info page, just find the storage settings, and from storage, you're going to have to go ahead and clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Then if you want, you could also try to clear data, but you have to know that it will permanently delete all of your account informations and you're going to have to log back in again. So once that is done, go back and head over to permissions. And once permissions page, make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then once again, try to force stop the app. Just go back and tap on force stop, tap on OK. And now you have successfully fixed the issue. Just give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.